live now. Let's see how many people join us. Yeah.
Can get coverage, sir?
Live வந்திருக்கு பாப்போமே. Live வந்திருக்கு பாப்போமே எத்தனை பேர் வராங்கன்னு. நம்ம முதல்ல சபரி வருவார்.
Yeah, somebody. Oh, nobody.
Very cute, சபரி வருவார்.
Sir, somebody is watching, sir.
Yeah, சபரி வருவார்.
2% already now.
2%.
2 views.
No, this one is your Maxis number or Telcom?
Oh, 4 sir. Hui, yo.
I only had Maxis.
How many?
Guys,
For now,
look,
6.
we are now deep into the jungles of Gunung Jerai. We are looking for the waterfall, which is the bottom. There's a river runs down there. Now, can you see all the sound? Now, guys, listen to me. A person who got tinnitus, this is the sound they have inside the ears. 24 hours a day. That's tinnitus. So, you, this young girl, is spending too much of time on her earphones for your online classes. But reducing that. Because you're always putting this, you can't hear.
No, every week, no, like 1 week, wear headphones, the other week I'll be in school.
No, similar like that. Okay? When you're not in school, maybe find a way to find some other way of not using the not using the stop. Use the phone. You need to do that. Huh? It's not a 1 week off.
You can listen.
So we are now deep jungle. They've taken trouble to make all of the staircase to go down to the waterfall, but it's deep down. There's a river that's on. There's another waterfall on top there. You see, so that's the one I used to go. It was only a half an hour walk, less than half an hour walk. But this is like going down to the river and you see the waterfall. Then you got to walk up to see the waterfall. So I don't think it's advisable for us to go there. No, we have food because we have to check out by 12 o'clock. It's 11:45 now. 11:30 now. 10:30 now.
Have you checked out and then go here?
You can, but who's going to send you down after that? Where you going to get the bag? Yeah, you can get the bag somewhere, no problem. But then we have to close the bag. We come another time. Yeah, how many of you there now?
55, sir.
Where are you guys from? This is how a jungle will look like. And you can be
From
quiet.
Malaysia, India.
You just be quiet for a while. You can hear all the sound of all the insects, the beetles.
South America.
See, stay quiet now. You see, they're all making their own noise. They're all crickets, beetles, and all kind of stuff out there now.
Why do they constantly make the sound?
They just want to find their partner. Territory. My partner, my friend. Let's make noise. Just like human beings, lah.
Huh?
No. The human beings are also very noisy. Human beings are much more noisy. You go to a school, be all very quiet and each child in the class. The moment they ring the bell and all the kids are running back home, especially going to canteen during the time break, you know how much the noise is made that time? Wow, so much noise. All go out. All talking, want to buy here, this, that. No, go to the canteen, You see how much noise. So we are also equally as noisy. Sending signals and things like that, shouting, calling. They have their own world. This is their world. Very quiet world. And this place is called, the kind of trees are different compared to the one at the bottom. Up in the mountains are a bit different. So they don't grow very big, they take longer time to grow. Look at that.
Roughly how many years is that tree, sir?
Which one? That one. 80 years old.
80 years old.
80 years old. Yeah, it takes a long time. But they'll just cut and throw it away. And they go and do whatever they want. How much of plank, how much wood can you keep from that side? And most of it waste, Because you want a square of the rectangle wood. And this big is this big. How many can you take? All that is just wasted. They just burn and throw it away. And how much can you get? And then it's straight, Sometimes it's very sad. A lot of wood is wasted for getting whatever you want to make the furniture. That's why if you find this new technology of what you call fiberboards,
They use
so
the
they
waste.
break them all, the fiberboard, and they put glue together, and it's water glue, When what touches water, it all breaks up and it becomes dissolved.
Also they use for sawdust, right?
Yeah, that's how they make it into sawdust. They make it sawdust and they put some kind of glue and they make it like that hard, make it like that. So now they are minimizing the losses, a lot of losses minimized.
So how many nature beings are here now?
2, 3.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 20, 30, 40, 50, 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600. These are 50, 80, 90, 690 different types of nature beings are here. Yeah. Each insects, each plant, each tree have their own nature beings. Like you say, durian trees, they have their own nature beings. So they take care of those fruits. So you find season, everybody will pollinate, all fruits will come, so they'll go on do that, But now man is finding a way to graft them and make them differently. So I know there'll be different type of nature beings for them, Man has done grafting, they call D24, D20, whatever they call for the durians, So they are also grafting and making things grow. So they may be a different type of nature beings entirely. So the 690, 5, 6, 7. 697 different type of nature beings are from the insect kingdom, from the fauna, plant.
From how many countries, sir?
No, all from here. All from here. They're all interrelated. So like when you go to Europe, there'll be a different type of trees. So they'll have a different kind of nature being. You go to America, it'll be different type because they're all not connected, You don't find the same trees, a different type of trees, so like that. Like we don't have what we call teak. Teak is sandana katta. What teak?
Teak wood lah.
Sandalwood.
Sandalwood. Teak different, sir.
Teak Indonesia.
Sandalwood. So we don't have sandalwood plants here unless you come and plant them here.
Sir.
You planted them or they're here originally?
I was there. I took
No,
because
I
I,
don't
was
think
there. It took it for me. That's why I put.
No, I don't think it was there. It was all
No.
coming.
Sorry, sir. This one. What do you call it? The kayu manis.
Kayuman is different, sir.
I made
So
it.
some are native to that land. Of course, you can take them and go and plant somewhere else.
Just like how rubber came to Malaysia. lah.
Like rubber, lah. Rubber is
Yeah,
not
rubber
native
was
from
not-
Malaysia.
but
It was
this,
from Brazil, and you brought it here. So now it grows here. So different kind of nature beings. So they
yeah.
will take care of those
Yes, sir,
things.
yeah.
No, it's all different.
Another
Like
one,
palm oil.
that
Here is that. Palm oil is not even here. Where is palm oil from?
Indonesia.
Africa.
Africa.
I keep
Palm oil from Africa. You cegu, huh?
Rubber, I know, pa.
It's from Africa. Understand? So they brought it here. Now we and Indonesia are the largest producers of palm oil. And who helped to do that? Who helped to do that?
the Africans.
The white people.
Oh, the UK, British.
The British people, they brought it here and they planted them. And how many millions of hectares of pure jungle were cut down to plant them?
Rubber trees.
You understand? So it's an economy for the people, for the country and all. So maybe Africans were not so cooperative to work in the fields. So even the locals here were not cooperative. So who they brought? They brought Indian people to work on the fields, the rubber planting. Then they make like that. Then cocoa, they started cocoa. Cocoa go so well compared to palm oil. Because cocoa means you can say you make chocolate. How much chocolate can people eat? But when you make palm oil, every day you eat the oil.
Yeah.
Every day all over the world you replace the oil, Even peanuts is a season. You pump peanut, in 6 months you get peanut and that's all. Then you leave the land free. Palm oil, like soya bean oil. It's like a seasonal thing. So like that. So palm oil means every week there's a fruit you cut, you pick. So land is lost to another way. That's why we have to ask forgiveness from Mother Earth for doing whatever we have done. When I was flying the plane, I met this guy. He was a planter. In Indonesia, they plant like 1,000 acres, 10,000 acres of land. So those are all very virgin jungle. They break. So I asked this guy, you just throw away 10,000 acres of land and you put them into palm oil. I asked him, have you ever kept 10 acres just to say this was the original land that happened? Nobody does that.
That means
You had 10,000 acres of land. You keep 10 acres. Don't do them. You plant around it. And say these acres were how it was before man ever started food and changed the whole culture of this land. They don't have. It's a very sad thing, very sad thing. They just cut everything for just to profit. You take some, you leave some. They don't do that. How many people now?
118.
180 people, huh? So not bad, huh? Without notice, people joining us. In fact, guys, we were supposed to do bed yoga today, no? But then again, we want to walk here, then all mess, okay? But we didn't have enough luck to go to the waterfall. It's right down there, no? So next time we'll come. No, I don't think so. We'll see how, okay? We'll go to more denser jungle. Okay, let's start now. 691, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The 697 different types of nature beings right now with us. Hmm? So all saying, Supreme God,
Supreme God,
Divine Father, Divine Mother,
Divine Father, Divine Mother,
my higher soul,
my higher soul,
my spiritual guides,
my spiritual guides,
helpers,
helpers,
teachers,
teachers,
healing angels,
healing
to the great karmic board,
great
cosmic beings of Borobudur,
nature beings of Borobudur,
Devaraja Borobudur, all the holy angels,
holy angels,
all the holy beings,
holy beings,
cosmic angels,
cosmic angels,
cosmic beings, the cosmic council.
cosmic council.
To all the nature beings who are visiting us here today,
To all the nature beings of visiting us
all
here
the
today,
nature beings of this world,
all the nature beings of this world,
forest, of the waterfall,
waterfall,
of the river, of the lake, and not forgetting the mountains.
the mountain.
Thank you for all that you do for Mother Earth.
Thank you for all that you do for Mother Earth.
We ask forgiveness
We ask
on behalf of mankind
on behalf of
for all the wrong we have done to you, and all of that you take care of. Please forgive me. Please forgive my family. Please forgive my company. Please forgive my country.
Please forgive my country.
Please forgive the government of each and every country.
Please forgive the government of each and every country.
Policy they put forth. Whatever policy
Policy
put forth to keep you and also to destroy you. Some government take land and say it's a natural protected land, but still there are people illegally logging inside. Please forgive mankind. We ask permission to each and every one of you to do your job better, such that man will not come into the jungles with bad intentions, unwanted intentions, to destroy you in some way. Supreme God, Divine Father, Divine Mother,
Supreme God, Divine Father, Divine
Divine
Mother,
Power, be with each and every nature being right now,
be with each and every
who are with us right now, and who are not with us right now.
not with us
The
right
Divine Fire be with each and every one of them.
Let the divine fire be
Give them the divine power.
Divine power,
divine power.
Give them divine strength,
Give them the divine
divine all the divine energy they need
Given all the divine
to do
energy
their work perfectly
to work perfectly
and to break
and to break
and blaze away
blaze away
and burn away
burn away
all the negative intentions
all the negative
of
intentions
mankind
of mankind
towards Mother Nature.
towards Mother Nature.
I am a being of divine fire.
I am a being of divine fire.
I am the purity God
I
inside.
am the purity God.
My soul,
My soul,
the soul of divine fire. My soul is the purity God inside. All the nature beings present here
all the nature beings present here
and not present here
are not present here.
are beings of divine fire. All the nature beings here and not present here are the purity God inside. You make the sound becomes louder now. No? Let's do it again. Put a watch on top of yourself. Show in front. Supreme God, Divine Father, Divine Mother, make me an instrument of this blessing. Let each and nature beings here right now bless abundance of light, love, compassion, and forgiving whatever they can, whatever harm they are going through for mankind.
Whatever harm we're going through.
Okay.
Got birds.
How many people watching now?
And 47.
Okay, my friends. Thank you for joining us. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. We never planned this, but anyway, good. You've all joined us. Thank you.
150.
Thank you. Good. Happen. You show the jungle. Not bad, Maxis, huh? For signal, huh? To do live, huh? No, we are live from a jungle, and our service provider Maxis is working here. That's a good part. So,
Mobile out.
okay, thank you. See you guys tonight. If you have time, we'll see you tonight. Thank you, thank you, thank you.